Welcome to our downstairs bathroom. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at this towel bar. I'll show you what's in the box, put it together for you, install it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is packaged very nicely to protect it during shipping. In the box, you are going to have the 2 towel bars, the connector pieces, the hardware to install it, and the instructions. First things first, you're going to attach the towel bars to these connector pieces using 4 of these screws on either side. Now, this is set up so that this recess part goes on the wall side. We're going to be hanging this on tile, so we are going to use double-sided fabric tape instead of the screws. We don't want to attempt to screw through the tile and crack it. Let's see how long. One of the things that our downstairs bathroom has not had is a towel bar. Just because we don't have the space, there's not enough space for a towel bar here. We have tile going all the way up to the ceiling, all the way around the tub. Over on this side, we don't have very much space, so there's like a hand towel area. And then over here, we don't want that by the, this area. If you are looking for a large, sturdy towel bar, I would not hesitate to recommend this one.